Give me another order for Anthony. He's going that way. You going that way? I'll put it inside the door.
What's up?
No, sir. And here's that big sales.
Good.
No sales there.
What's up? This is? No. Okay, what's up?
On my 2 coach days. Okay?